In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert multiple images in Google Sheets. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped app launcher. From the menu that appears, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet where you want your images to appear. Click the exact cell where you want the first image to live. Picking the right cell first matters, because we're going to place the image inside that cell so it stays aligned with your data. Now go to the menu bar at the top, click Insert, hover over Image, and choose Insert Image in Cell. This option anchors the image to the cell and keeps everything tidy when you sort or filter. In contrast, the Over Cells option floats an image above the grid, which isn't what we want here. A file picker will open. Click Browse to select a file from your computer. Navigate to the image you want, select it, and click Open. Google Sheets will place the image directly inside the selected cell. If the picture looks cropped or too small, remember that in-cell images scale to the cell size, so you can adjust the column width or row height to improve the fit. A quick way is to drag the borders of the column or row until the image looks right. To add more images, repeat the same flow for each one. Click the next target cell, go back to Insert, hover over Image, choose Insert Image in Cell, click Browse, pick the next image, and click Open. Work down your list of cells, pairing each image with the row or column it belongs to. This is especially handy for product catalogs, attendance sheets with profile photos, or any list where each entry needs a visual. If you want the same image to appear on multiple rows, you don't have to reinsert it every time. After the image is in one cell, click that cell, then drag the small square handle at the bottom right corner of the selection down or across to fill adjacent cells. Sheets will duplicate the image into each cell you cover. If you drag too far or change your mind, press Undo to revert instantly. A couple of quick tips while you work. Keep your images reasonably sized so your sheet stays responsive, and consider setting consistent row heights and column widths before you start, so every image looks uniform. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to insert multiple images in Google Sheets cleanly and efficiently using in-cell images, and how to duplicate one across rows with a simple drag.